Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I am back in Nonna's BK basement. Nonna, say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
And tell the people over there too.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana. Oh my God. Everyone mi
And what do you want to do? You know?
Mi scordute.
It's okay. It's okay. But because what's the real reason that we're here? What are we going to make today?
I gotta make a cake today. But this cake, I gotta put rice, walnuts, and apple. It's very good cake.
We're making a cake with all the fall feels today. Yeah. Nice apple, walnut, raisin. Who doesn't like that combination?
Sure, everybody likes this one.
Vera speciale, right?
Yeah, vera speciale. Yeah.
Vera speciale.
Yeah.
So we're going to go over the ingredients really quick. We just have some flour, all-purpose is fine. We have an apple, one is good enough.
Yeah.
We have some olive oil, not extra virgin. Whole milk, baking powder, vanillina. Use vanilla extract if you can't find this. Just some raisins, some eggs, granulated sugar, and some chopped walnuts. And our special ingredient is this. It's not highlighter
Strega,
fluid.
liqueur Strega.
Liqueur Strega.
Yeah, I know.
Liqueur Strega. How cool is this bottle, guys? So if you guys have never heard of Strega, Strega is an Italian liquor made out of herbs, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It's made out of herbs. It's got a really strong smell, but it is used a lot in baking in Italy. And we're going to use this to rehydrate our raisins. So funny story, when I was setting up this recipe, Nonna thought that I was just, you know, having a shot of Strega in my Nutella glass jar. You thought I was going to drink this.
Well, I love them. I have no drink because I can't drink.
Yeah, but you said you thought I was going to drink. Tu pensavi che io me lo stavo bevendo questo.
Oh, yeah, that's why I worry about it. I said, this too much. You're supposed to drink this, but you put it in the dose of the cake. That's why I'm sorry. I know.
Come on.
I make a mistake. That's all. What do you want to do?
So
everybody makes
we're
mistake.
actually using this liqueur to rehydrate our raisins. We're going to soak our raisins in the Strega. And if you don't have Strega, I would use any kind of sweet liqueur that you have. Amaretto would work really well, or even some sweet Marsala wine would be really, really yummy. So we're going to go ahead and pour the Strega into the raisins and let those soak just for a little bit. It's going to rehydrate nice.
Sure.
And Nonna, what's the first thing we're going to do?
First, you got to put eggs and sugar.
Okay.
This is sugar.
We're going to put the vanilla with it.
Okay.
I'm addicted to vanillina, guys. If you watch the show often, you know how bad my addiction is.
Per ora questo?
Yep.
Yeah, you want everything that comes fluffy.
Nice fluffy eggs and sugar. Okay, so I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, and Nonna is going to peel our apple. So right now I'm going to add in our...
Maybe I put over here the apple.
Okay.
I'm
going to put in our olive oil. Oops. Mix that up a little bit. Now you don't want to use extra virgin for this because the flavor is just a little strong. Olive oil is perfect, or if you want to use vegetable oil or anything else, corn oil, grapeseed oil. I'm going to put our nice glass of milk now. I'm going to drain the liquor into the mix here. But I'm going to leave the raisins until the very end. Okay, now I'm going to start adding the flour a little bit. And finally, we're going to add in our baking powder.
Okay, now you gotta put an apple. Okay?
Metti.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna put the raisins. Some nice soaked raisins. What about the nuts? We gotta put?
Yeah, sure. I think so.
Okay.
Okay. It's good.
Oh, this cake is gonna be so good.
Yeah, I know. Everything good. Rice, walnuts, apple. They make a very good cake.
Tomorrow you and Dia are gonna have it with coffee.
Oh, yeah. I love coffee.
So here we just have a 9-inch springform pan. Sprayed it with a little baking spray. You can use butter and flour, whatever you like.
Very good.
Ludwig, you gotta help me?
Yeah, sure.
Just gonna clean the whole bowl.
Sure. I don't leave nothing.
You know, leaving nothing. Never.
This is the best part, you know?
It is?
Yeah, sure. The best part. Questo è come quando in Italy they say when you finish it and you clean nice about the bread, you clean nice the plate. Allora
La scarpetta?
no, they said detto chi lecca il piatto fa i figli belli.
Oh.
You know?
Yeah?
Allora dialettalmente si dice Cuccio sta lecchi piatto, facevi fare bene fatto.
Oh.
Hai capito?
I capito.
Ok.
Now we good? Now it's okay?
Sure, very good.
You happy?
I'm happy, yes.
Okay, good.
Very
so
good.
I'm happy too, because this cake is going to go into a 325-degree oven for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until it's nice and golden brown on top and springy in the middle, you know, not jiggly or anything. And we are going to take a break and cook it, and when we come back, we're going to have some cake.
Sure.
Yeah? You got to taste?
Yeah, I want to taste. Oh my God, the cake come very well. They look nice. I can't wait. I got to test.
Okay, look at this beauty.
Ah, beautiful.
Beautiful color.
Mm-hmm. They raise nice.
They raise a nice.
Mm-hmm.
Everything look beautiful. We're gonna see. Let me see. Maybe I can even detach it from over here. Yep, comes right off.
It come very nice. You see? Beautiful.
Ooh. Now all this needs is just a little dusting of powdered sugar. I mean, you don't have to put anything, but a little zucchero velo is always
Yeah,
good.
just a little bit, not too much.
Okay, not too much.
Yeah.
Not too much.
Just
Why?
a
I put
little.
it too much?
No, that's okay.
Poco poco.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yeah, very good.
Perfect.
Look nice.
We got a cut?
Yeah, you cut a little bit.
Okay. Oh, I got a raisin already.
Mm-hmm.
So excited. Look at that.
Look, very good.
So nice, this cake.
Mm-hmm.
You got a taste?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, but before we taste, we got to have un bicchierino.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Little bit.
Just a little bit.
It's in the cake, so we gotta taste it too.
Mm-hmm.
Uno e due. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, alla salute.
Alla salute.
You gotta drink it.
Yeah, first I want to eat some. That way, you know, I don't taste good my, my cake. Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe that's true.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Alla salute.
Oh, yeah.
Very good.
Whew. It's a strong, the Strega.
Yeah,
Strega's a little strong. Oh, my
you're right.
This cake is delicious.
Yeah, very good.
Not too sweet. I'm going to eat the whole cake before I even say goodbye. All right, guys. We loved having you. I hope you guys make this beautiful cake. Thank you for watching. And Nonna, thank you for being my Nonna.
Thank you for being my beautiful granddaughter.
Okay, one more time. Salute.
Alla salute.
Fai un brindisi a tutti quanti.
Un brindisi a tutta la mia famiglia e tutti quelli che mi vogliono bene.
And tell the people over there that watch you, alla salute.
Everybody that watch me, alla salute e buon Natale a tutti.
Buon Natale.
Tra poco arriva.
Ok. Buon Natale, guys. Bye, everybody.